have him properly tried in The Hague.
So what happens when he arrives? If indeed he gets on board this plane that we can see right now, about a 12-hour flight perhaps to Europe and to The Hague, what happens next?
Well, he'll be taken into custody and there'll be all sorts of safety procedures applied then. And then he'll be taken to the court. And in due course, he'll be asked to plead to an indictment.
And this is all happening and could only have happened with the full cooperation of the Philippines government?
Yes. I mean, one of the problems, I mean, your previous contributor, I think, mentioned it.
Ano sabi niya? Yung previous na problema ho namin kasi, sabi ho ng ICC, ano? Ang problema ng nakaraan, eto ho yung problema ng ICC. Pakinggan nyo mabuti.
Two families being at war, originally at peace together, then you wouldn't have expected the Marcoses to provide evidence against Duterte.
Hindi namin ini-expect na magpo-provide ang Marcos administration ng mga ebidensya. Putik na yan. Tapos sabihin ho ni Marcos, hindi kami nakialam sa investigasyon. Inamin na po mga kababayan, inamin na po nila na ang Marcos ang nag-provide ng mga ebidensya. O ayan na ho. O ano masasabi nyo ngayon?